Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to see how to find winning products for your Wix store. Finding winning products involves a strategic approach that includes market research, trend analysis, and understanding customer preferences. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you identify and choose the best products for your Wix store. Market research. Analyze market trends. Google Trends. Use Google Trends to track the popularity of various products categories over time. Search for products idea and observe whether interest is increasing. You can search by location, time period, category, and type of web search. Social media insights. Monitor platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and other social medias to see what products influencers are promoting and what is trending. E-commerce platforms. Look at best seller lists on Amazon, eBay, and other e-commerce sites to see which products are popular. By following these steps, you can identify winning products for your Wix store. This is how to find winning products for your Wix store. Thank you for watching.